Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Doorbell, quick fix step by step clearly. First, make sure your Blink Doorbell is removed from its packaging. Locate the included mounting bracket and screws. Decide on the doorbell's installation location. Ensure the location is within your Wi-Fi range for optimal connectivity. If necessary, use the included level tool to mark a straight line. Secure the mounting bracket to your chosen location using the Next, insert the Blink Doorbell into the mounting bracket. Press the doorbell until it clicks securely into place. Now, download the Blink app from your device's App Store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Blink account. Select Add Device from the main menu. Choose Video Doorbell from the list of device options. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your doorbell to Wi-Fi. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed on the app using the doorbell's camera. Wait for the doorbell to confirm the connection. Once connected, you can customize notification settings within the app. Test the doorbell by pressing it to ensure it's working properly. Adjust the camera angle if needed for optimal viewing. Your Blink Doorbell setup is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.